Another thing. Some say hold the pickles. We say hold them in your arms and thank them for helping the Quarter Pounder achieve full deliciousness. The hottest, juiciest Quarter Pounder yet. It's perfect. Made perfecter. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Apartments.com puts more renters in new homes than any other website. How? By sniffing out more listings than anybody else. Really?
Things are going really well with us. My lease is up on the 1st, and I think he wants me to move in with him.
What?
I've got a potential lead on a vacancy.
What's up with this dog? Is that your dog?
Good boy.
What's up with the cone?
I told you this would work. Apartments.com, the most popular place to find a place.
Stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly. My fellow Americans, as much as I hate to say it, but a global nuclear war is imminent. The National Aerospace Defense Command has detected a launch of hundreds, maybe even thousands of nuclear missiles from Russia, China, and North Korea, and will impact every major city on Earth. As much as I am speechless to say, I am willing to give you the following instructions for your safety. Grab all necessary supplies like food and water that will last up to weeks, months, or years, medical supplies, a gas mask, a battery-powered radio alongside with batteries, and clothing. Be sure to have a sturdy fallout shelter. If you do not have a fallout shelter, but have an underground shelter, take shelter there instead, and grab all damp towels and clothing to cover the cracks in order to keep fallout out of your shelter. Fallout is a byproduct of radioactive. Contact with fallout can be very dangerous and may result in death. My fellow Americans, I wish I can say that this should have never happened, but it seems like the only thing we can do is brace for impact. But no matter what, even if humanity gets extinct from this ongoing event, we will remain as the United States of America, and always will, as one nation, under God. May God bless you, my fellow Americans, and God bless the United States. That was the message from the President of the United States. This is WBTV. We will continue to serve the Davidson County area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the Emergency Alert System Service.